Today we're going to talk about the Dspiae NewType Lunar New Year tool set. This is a limited edition tool set, just came out, had to pick it up. Love the colors, I love what they did with this tool set. Let's take a look and see what it looks like once we unbox this thing. So this toolkit retails for $99.99. You can only get it right now at NewType, since it's a Dspiae and NewType collab. So definitely get this while you can. It seems to be a limited edition run, so it'll definitely sell out pretty fast. Especially if you're looking for a new tool set that has everything that you would need to customize your Gunpla, definitely pick this up. You get a single blade nipper. It's a one-of-a-kind nipper. It comes with a little logo, a NewType logo on there. Super cool. I've used one of their nippers before. I love it. So can't wait to start using this one. This toolkit also comes with an aluminum alloy saw to get you, start cutting up your Gunpla to really start customizing and having fun with your model kits. It also comes with a nice hobby knife. It has a great handle. I love it. They also give you tons of extra blades, which is really convenient and nice. You also get a push brush, so if you're looking into scribing and really taking your Gunpla to the next level, this would be a great to start. It feels great in the hands. I can't wait to start using this and start scribing. It also comes with a model parts detacher. So for you to basically start separating your model kit without really leaving any scratches or marks. This tool is really nice and handy, really sleek. And then it also comes with a nipper protector to protect your nippers. It looks super nice. It has a really cool, rabbit on there for this Lunar New Year, Year of the Rabbit. And then also you get a cool little pin. So check it out. Cool little pin right over here. All the tools come with, specific markings, having Dspiae and, the Year of the Rabbit over here. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. That's everything that's in this toolkit. Definitely go pick yourself up one. Like I said, I'll leave it in the link down below. So tell me what you think. I can't wait to start using this and start customizing my next kit. And I'll see you here back next time.